In this video, we're going to dive into how to create and promote your affiliate program with funnels. If you want to boost your revenue by leveraging affiliates and funnels, stick around. You'll learn exactly how to set this up step by step, and I'll even give you an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using so you can follow along. The first thing you need to do is pick the right software for your affiliate program. I've tried several of the top options out there, but this software stands out. It's easy to use, integrates seamlessly with your funnels, and offers powerful tracking and commission management features. And the best part, you can get an exclusive free trial in the description below to get started right away. Once you've got the software set up, the next step is to design your funnel. The goal here is to guide potential affiliates through a journey where they're introduced to your program, excited about promoting it, and ready to sign up. Start with a landing page that explains what your affiliate program is all about. Include key details like your commission structure, how affiliates will get paid, and the products they'll be promoting. You want to make it clear why your program is a win for them. Next, create a sign-up page where affiliates can register easily. Make sure the sign-up process is as simple as possible. You want to minimize friction so that more people complete the process and get started quickly. This is where your funnel software will really help by automating this step and sending them a confirmation email right after they join. Once affiliates are signed up, it's time to promote your program. You want to get the word out, and one of the most effective ways to do this is by creating a webinar or video series that walks potential affiliates through your program's benefits. This could be a one-time live session or a pre-recorded video that affiliates can watch at their own pace. The key here is to build trust and excitement around your affiliate program. Also, don't forget to leverage your existing email list or social media followers. Create a compelling email sequence inviting your audience to join your affiliate program, highlighting the benefits of being an affiliate and explaining how easy it is to get started. You can even add a sense of urgency by offering limited time bonuses or higher commissions for the first few signups. Now, when it comes to promoting your program, don't just rely on one channel. Use a multi-channel approach. Share your affiliate program on your website, through your blog, on social media, in podcasts, or anywhere your target audience is hanging out. The more places you promote your program, the more affiliates you'll attract. Once you have affiliates promoting your products, it's time to track and optimize. This is where your software will help again. It'll provide you with analytics on how your affiliates are performing, what products are selling the most, and where you can improve your funnel. If you're not seeing the results you want, don't be afraid to tweak your funnel, change up your offers, or adjust the way you're communicating with your affiliates. To wrap things up, the key takeaway from this video is that creating and promoting your affiliate program with funnels is all about making the process easy, clear, and exciting for your affiliates. The right software, combined with a well-designed funnel and effective promotion, can set you up for success. Let's quickly recap. Pick the right software for your affiliate program, create a simple funnel with clear sign-up steps, promote your program through multiple channels, and optimize based on the results. And remember, if you want to follow along with the software we've used, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.